Ladies and gentlemen, the bikes are back. Yes, it has been 9 months since I last did a bike video, and we are finally back today. So today, as you can see, we are with the e-bike because there's a couple things wrong with it because I've been riding it loads and it's kind of been my daily bike. Alright, let me explain. So this has been going on for a while. The brakes need changing. Like the front ones, the back ones especially, like they're terrible at the moment. But I mean, at least I got some brake pads here. And the big one, the one that's not made me use this bike, the back inner tube's gone again. Yes, the one I changed in that short. Because I changed it to a regular one because I didn't realise it could get slime tubes. Well, I'm changing that. Slime inner tube, right size for it, and it should just go on. And this isn't going to be the only bike video recently. I am also planning for a 2026 0 to 20 marathon with the main bike, free bike, BMX and this bike. So that's kind of why I'm doing this video. Alright, let's get started. So let's start by getting this nut off right here. So I've got the socket thing. Oh, there we go. That should be loose enough when we go around the back and get the other one off. I nearly fell as well. This one. There we go. Nice and loose. Now I need to undo these. And now the wheel should come off. Take the chain. Get a little wiggle. Why is this not coming out? Maybe that's why. And bosh. There's the wheel. So yeah, I'm going to start by deflating this wheel first. So, things up here. If I get something to pick at it with, like this, it should. And that should be deflated off. And now, looking at this tyre, I might need to change this soon. Because it's kind of, yeah, kind of worn all around. But that's a job for another day. Let's try get this off. I hate doing this. Almost got it. Oh, Jesus. That's what my fingers look like now. Yes, yes, yes. Got it. I hate doing that. Let's get this old inner tube out. Yep, this is no more. Because I saw the leak, because I was cycling yesterday, and when I pumped it up, I heard it just going. So yeah, it needs changing. Okay, so here's the brand new one, right here. So let's get it in the tyre. Start from there. Feed it through, you might see Poppy. Okay, that's in nicely, hopefully. Now let's get it back on the wheel. I hate doing this even more. How did I used to do this? I did it like that. Hopefully I don't burst this trying to just pull it in. I'm gonna have a fiddle with this just to try and get it on. After 500 million hours, I got it on. So now, let's pump it up, but not like I usually do with the hand pump, because I've got a nice little electric pump right here. So let's just stick this in. Oh. I need two hands for this. That's in. And let's just... Oh, 22 I do it at. And Bosch, up 22.5. And there we go. New wheel, all done. Okay, now the fun job of getting the wheel back on. So, let's do that, shall we? That goes through like that. I need to get the chain. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know why there hasn't been a bike video in ages. I wonder why. Let's take the nut off. Just like that. And then, yeah, this is easier. Okay, I need that nut back. Get that washer through. Okay, line that up. Hopefully that's tightening. Yep. Okay, there we go. Chains back on and get this one on. And that should be it. That is the back wheel fully serviced. There you go. Now for the other problem of this bike, the brakes. If I actually did them up. But yeah, these brakes up here, they're gone. So let's change them. Great, I get to do the two worst bike jobs in one day. Hooray. That's why I hate it. Well, at least it's easy enough to get off. But putting it on, that's a whole nother story. Okay, let's do number one. Upside down. See, the worst part isn't like putting this on, because that's easy. The worst part is trying to line it up. I'm gonna have a specific tighten in this, whatever. And this bit's a bit annoying as well. But it is doable. Where did my thing go? That wrench thing just disappeared. Wrench 2 to the rescue. See, this part I hate. I hate this part. If I am doing this wrong and you work on bikes, let me know down in the comments. Right, that should be that one. Is that too angled? Yeah, that's a bit angled. This is why I don't really do brake pads on videos, because it just takes so long. That's tolerable. Let me just do the other side like this. Well, after literally 500,000 hours, it's perfectly tuned now. Now I've just got to do the front one. I absolutely hate doing that, but it is done. And it's turned off because it's been so long. There we go. That back one's good as well, so yeah, that's the bike pretty much done. So I'm going to give it a quick little clean. Boom. It's not the cleanest bike on planet, but it's definitely cleaner than it was. So that's it. The e-bike is fully serviced and is good to go again. Welcome back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. You better do well on that.